Why do only 1% of people achieve extraordinary success while most never reach their true potential? The answer isn't talent. It's discipline, repeated every single day. Every repeated action strengthens your brain, making good habits easier over time. Small daily improvements create massive long-term results that most people underestimate. Every day you choose comfort or growth, and those choices shape your future.
Distraction silently steals your most valuable resource, your time. Focus allows ordinary effort to produce extraordinary results.
What people call success is only the visible tip of years of hidden effort.
Winners don't jump to the top. They climb one disciplined step at a time. Successful people master their mornings before the world demands their attention.
Habits seem weak each day but become nearly impossible to break over time.
Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the journey.
Motivation comes and goes. Discipline keeps moving forward every day.
Tiny victories compound into achievements that seem impossible to others.
Every excuse removed creates more room for meaningful action.
Consistency matters more than intensity because success rewards endurance.
The 1% simply keep climbing after everyone else quits.
Start today. Stay disciplined. Become the 1%.